Hello! Going through the 8-1 geometry worksheet. First of all, number 1 and 2, they're asking us to find the sum of the measures of the interior angles of the indicated convex polygon. So with that, we have this formula n minus 2 times 180. And that's based on the number of triangles that we can break a convex polygon into. So like a pentagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From one vertex, I get 1, 2, 3 triangles. So 5 minus 2 is 3, and then each triangle has 180. So first of all, a decagon, decade, 10. So this would be 10 minus 2 times 180, which is 8 times 180. And now it's calculator time. So turn on the calculator, 8 times 180. And we get a total of 1,440 total angle degrees inside. Alrighty, taking a look at number 2. 13 gone. This is easy. The number of sides, number of angles is 13. So we're going to take 13 minus 2 times 180, 11 times 180, and then that's going to be 11 times 180. It's going to be 1,980 degrees. Okay. So again, those kind of fall back to this relationship here. Next couple deal with finding the sum of the measures of interior angles of a convex polygon is given. Classify the polygon by the number of sides. So we're going to set this total to the n minus 2 times 180 in both of these cases. So we want to find the respective n values, and then from those n values we will name the polygon. So again, over here, I would divide both sides by 180 would be the best move. And 5,400 divided by 180 should be 30. So we get 30 equals n minus 2. We're going to add the 2 over. And so we get 32 equals n. And as far as a 32-sided polygon, we can call that a 32gon. Alrighty. Moving on to number 4. Same step. We're going to divide by 180. We get n minus 2 here. Over here we get 2160 divided by 180. And we get 12. We add the 2 over. We get n equals 14. We do not have a name for a 14-sided polygon other than we can call it a 14gon. Okay. So when they ask us to classify the polygon, that's given this name and this name. Alrighty. Find the value of x. Number 5, we have an exterior set of angles. Remember, an exterior set always equals 360 no matter how many sides. So in this case, we're going to say 152 plus x plus 137 equals 360. I can add these two together to get 289 plus x equals 360. Subtract the 289 over, and we get x equals 71 degrees. Alrighty, so again, exterior always totals 360, whereas the interiors vary. This one here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So I'm going to have 5 minus 2 times 180 for the total. And now I'm going to have x plus 90 plus 143 plus 77 plus 103 for the other side. So this becomes 3. 3 times 180 is 540. Over here I got x plus all of these angles added together. So I'm going to add them up. 90 plus 143 plus 77 plus 103. And it's going to be 413. I'm going to subtract that 413 over. These cancel. And we're going to get x equals 127 degrees. Alrighty, so again, this was interior. This number 5 was exterior. Moving on, find the measure of an interior angle and an exterior angle of the regular polygon. Remember, regular polygons mean that all sides are the same and all angles are the same. So that would mean okay. So let's go ahead here. A hexagon, n equals 6. Now what I like to do here is I know the exterior total. I'm going to do the exterior, so that's going to be 360 divided by 6. That's going to give me 60 degrees. So that's my exterior angle. Now, if the interior, we know that the interior angle plus the exterior angle equals 180. So 180 minus 60 degrees, it comes from there, is 120 degrees. So we have the interior and the exterior. Over here, same thing here. If it's a regular 30-gon, all exterior angles are the same. So 360 divided by 30. That comes out to be 12 degrees. Okay, and then for the interior, we get the 180 minus 12, and that's going to equal 168 degrees because of that linear pair between an exterior angle and an interior angle. Moving on. Part of a stained glass window is a regular octagon, so n equals 8. Find the measure of an exterior angle of the regular polygon, then find the measure of an exterior. Well, this is just like our last one, n equals 8. So the exterior is going to be 360 divided by 8. Half, half, half is going to be 45 degrees. The interior is going to be 180 minus the 45, and that's going to equal 135. So again, this is a slick little way to do the interior-exterior question. And then one last couple here. Find the measure of an exterior. The measure of the exterior angle is given. Classify the polygon with the number of sides. So if I go ahead and oops, didn't switch here. Remember earlier I said the exterior would be 360 divided by n equals my degree. Now this case I'm going to go ahead and go 360. I'm looking for n. I know the degree is 40. So now I'm going to do a little bit of proportion work here. So I'm going to get 40n equals 360, divide by 40, divide by 40, and I get n equals 9, and that is a nonagon. Okay, so that's a way to figure this out. The next one, measure of an interior angle is given. Classify the polygon by the number of sides. So same type of problem, except I'm going to figure out my exterior first by taking 180 minus the 120 equals 60. And then n is going to be 360 divided by 60, like in the last problem. So n equals 6, so that means it's a six-sided polygon, and we call that a hexagon. And that's the final answer there. Well, hopefully this helped you get through your assignment, and we'll see you again soon.